Hi, it's me again. I forgot one important information. So at the end of your assignment, after you're all done, if you have any questions or comments, you can type here, okay? And then when you're done, you're gonna go back to, let me make this bigger. Google Classroom. Back to distance learning day 1, and then you'll see right here, turn in. So this is your work that's been completed, and you're going to click this turn in right here. That's how you turn it in. You click on it, and then one attachment will be submitted for distance learning, and then you click on that turn in. And done. Then I will get a notification saying that you have completed your work. Thank you.